Hey guys, this is Gurleen Gambhir and today I'm gonna tell y'all what's in my little black book. Gulal, little black bow and homegrown Shabzati. So I like Fab India, Nicobar and Good Earth a lot. Asa, I think Kama Ayurveda, that's also really good and I really love their products, and Lotus Herbals. I really love going to Fatty Bao and Tanjore Tiffin Room. They have some really nice South Indian food and I love digging in there. And yes, one has to be Punjabi food also, so I love going to either Mini Punjab or Punjab Grill. I love going to Coco, that's amazing for sushi. I love their food there. Then Bastion is really good for nice cozy chill vibe for brunch, and if honestly nothing at all, no brainer, just go to Little Door and sit, it's a chill vibe there. Shah Rukh Khan. Swimwear brand, I usually go and get a lot of my swimwear from H&M. It's pretty much in budget and they have like size inclusivity at fully. But maybe this movie, I don't know, it's not a very hit movie, Bar Bar Dekho, which is there and they did a bit of a time travel and everything, so I think that could have been better. Kajol style in DDLJ and everything, so maybe around something, play around that. My sister gifted me this Alexander McQueen black bag, which she actually got for my mom, but I kind of took it and that's the bag I'm never gonna leave. Yeah, so Shop Ziddi, I really love their, it's very nice, bohemian, chic and really cool stuff. 3 Insta friends influencer, which is Sister Ko, Urmi, Daga and Prerna Mehra, girl in sky high heels. White shirt, a white malmal shirt. It's Rosette from Kiko Milano. I think that's my favorite shade. Less is more. Like we always think as styling and stylists that we overdo it and overstyle it, but sometimes you always have to remember less is more. So let one key piece do the talking for you. Homegrown fashion label, I really love 2 brands, which is like Gulal and Stephanie D'Souza. So Stephanie does a lot of maxi and chill dresses, which are really nice and flowy, and Gulal does a little fusion wear, which I love. There are a lot of these really nice homegrown chicken curry brands like House of Chicken Curry or Chicken Curry labels. So they do really nice chicken curry suits, which I love wearing. I love Ritika Sachdeva's Karas, that's where all our stacking started, so I really love them. Burnt Spice from MAC. Bior, which is non-greasy, so that's the Bior sunscreen I love. Favorite perfume, I usually like My Burberry or Clinique. This Shop Nazma I do pick up from Fab India also, quite a few Potli bags, so yeah, these are the few. Footwear, I really like a Fizzy Goblet and Aparajita Tool. I think I like Kama Ayurveda's Rose Water, that really helps in the humid and hot weather. You just mist it on and it works well. I think LBB, it covers everything for you guys, so yeah, that's my place to go.